Hello, everyone. My name is Richard, and I'm super excited to be here with you today. So, if your line manager is a manager and not a leader, how do you succeed? Within the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you great lessons on how to navigate to achieve corporate results and also meet your goals when you find yourself reporting to a line manager who is a manager and not a leader. Some people refer to them as baby bosses, but for me, respectfully, I will call them managers with great managerial skill yet to become leaders. So there are instances where you find yourself reporting to a line manager who is not a leader. Never think because of this your manager is not good enough. That is wrong, and that's not what I mean. The point is, your manager may be result oriented, your manager may be disciplined with time, your manager ensures your health and safety needs, your manager ensures timely submission of reports, your manager ensures that the department or even the institution is run orderly and efficiently with good managerial skills. But you see, your manager may not have the attitude of a leader. As a matter of fact, there are so many institutions where you find followers leading leaders. Or if you like, there are so many institutions where you find leaders following followers. That's interesting, isn't it? But what I want to share with you is when you find yourself in a position where you are following a follower and you are a leader, that should not demotivate you. You should rather be complementary. Okay? And I'll share with you 4 great skills that would help you to navigate your way to achieve great results, even when you have to follow a manager who is not a leader. Number 1, understand leadership. Okay? Know that leadership is a complex phenomenon involving the leader, the follower, and the situation. Don't see leadership as positional. See leadership as a process so that you can discover yourself within the process to execute your function with great precision, great decision, responsibility, and ownership. I mean, you need to be a leader in your role. Number 2, when your line manager is a manager and not a leader, make it a habit to listen attentively and actively. Okay? Listening is actually a skill. When your line manager is a manager and not a leader, learn to listen to everything that they say without leaving gaps. Literally, listen to everything that they say. When you do this, you will understand your line manager very well. And you will understand your line manager from every perspective. And when you understand your line manager very well, you will communicate well. Because when you communicate well, 80% of workplace conflict between you and your line manager, if not 100%, will surely be non existent. Number 3, when your line manager is a manager and not a leader yet, you should always learn to carry your journal with you every time you're having a meeting with them, either a one on one or in a team meeting. I mean, learn to document any kind of meeting or learn to document every meeting that you have with them. It helps you to manage possible future confrontations and also, you know what I mean, workplace drama. And always remember, the faintest ink is sharper than the sharpest brain. My point here is evidence is the name of the game. Make sure you produce evidence and write down any kind of meeting you have with them, whether it's formal or informal. And finally, number 4, if your line manager is a manager and not a leader, be intelligent emotionally. When I say be intelligent emotionally, I mean learn to align your feelings to your thoughts. So, for example, you must know this. You don't have to unnecessarily jump into any kind of argument with such managers. And you must also know that you don't have to necessarily respond to every kind of email from such managers, especially when they are negative. trying to explain yourself with the same energy behind the original email. It won't help. All that I'm saying here is reserve your energy, manage your emotions, perceive emotions, understand emotions, and use emotions when you are reporting to managers who are not leaders yet. So, thank you for your time. I'm super grateful. You should always try as much as you can to get copies of my books, Your Journey to the Top and Are You a Good Leader, from Amazon, or you can also get them from our website on www.richardahenkorah.com. Subscribe, like it, and share my videos. Thank you.